Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome back to today's segment on African Fashion Show where we showcase a lot of trendy, beautiful, stylish hairstyles and outfits that you can rock and looks amazingly beautiful. So, all you need to do if you're watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Like, share, and comment. Okay, to my new subscribers, thank you for coming, and back to my old ones, thank you for having my back. We have a lot and I love some of beautiful styles at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end of this video, and that's the reason why you should watch to the end. Okay, stay tuned, stay watching and stay watching and stay watching. Grab a cup of coffee or water, sit down, enjoy the rest of the video. I love it. Kudos goes to the original owners of this video. You guys are doing amazing work. We are not here to parrot your work, not to steal it, but to promote creativity. I love you guys. I'm back watching.
So then, why? So then, why?